Microsoft just announced the Surface Duo and they opened up pre-orders today. Let's talk about it. What's up YouTube? This is Jason with Red Bee Labs, and as I said, today Microsoft announced the Surface Duo and they opened up pre-orders. Now the device won't ship until September 10th or 11th, but they have all the specs and I'm gonna give them to you now. Now this baby has two 5.6 inch OLED displays with a resolution of 1800 by 1350. It has a 4:3 aspect ratio, and together these two displays will create an 8.1 inch OLED display with a resolution of 2700 by 1800 with a 3:2 aspect ratio. The screens are actually protected by something they call Real Gorilla Glass. It has a Snapdragon 855 chip with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs or 250 gigs of storage. So they have no 5G. It's only going to have a mono speaker, just one mono speaker, which we'll get into in a little bit. It'll have a 3,577 milliamp battery, which Microsoft says is supposed to be an all-day battery. And they're pricing her around $1,400. Now for the cameras. Now, I'm gonna let you guys know right off the bat, these cameras got me feeling some type of way. The camera, as I said before, is only one camera. It's an 11 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture, which, it's gonna come with some modes for low light, HDR, super zoom, 4K, 1080p. It's gonna record at 30 frames per second and 60 frames per second, and it has electronic image stabilization, but again, there's just one camera, and to me that could be a problem, but I'm gonna wait and see. I don't have the device in hand, so who knows. I just expected with that big boy price there'd be some big boy specs and a big boy camera, but now Microsoft is also saying that the Duo will run all Android apps unmodified. They'll just work as they've always done. Of course, they've gone through all of their apps like Office and Teams and things like that, and they have modified them, souped them up, did everything they could to make it work on both screens and just have a flawless app experience. Okay guys, in my opinion, with last year's chip, a subpar camera, okay battery, no NFC, and a mono speaker, this is a hard sell for a lot of people, especially at $1,400. Don't get me wrong, this is one of Microsoft's sexiest devices. I'm excited to get it and play around with it and use it, and I'm sure it is going to be a production monster. But to me, the price and the specs just don't match up. I really wish they would have added like the Surface Buds or maybe even the Surface Pen in the box. But as of now, we're just going to get the device, a bumper case, a USB-C cable, paperwork, and that's it. Question of the day. Is this your next device? Leave me your answers in the comments below. Okay guys, that's it for this one. I hope when I get the device, a lot of the specs won't even matter because the device will just work so good you won't even feel lag or any kind of thing, and that the cameras will be suitable, battery life will be strong. I won't even care about the NFC. Maybe I'll have a watch and I'll use that. The speakers, maybe I won't even care about those because I'll be using the Surface Buds so much, but who knows. So we'll wait and see for that and hope my opinion changes. If you found value in this video, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. Also, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video, you would be the awesome person that makes my day. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.